Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated DJI Avata 3, its expected release date, and what improvements DJI must bring to make it the ultimate FPV drone for enthusiasts and professionals alike. DJI has been dominating the drone industry for years, consistently pushing boundaries with innovations. However, as more models hit the market, choosing the right drone becomes increasingly challenging. The DJI Avata lineup has carved out a unique niche with its immersive first-person view experience, making it a favorite for those looking to capture smooth, cinematic footage in tight spaces and challenging environments. However, despite its versatility, the Avata 2 wasn't without its flaws. With the Avata 3, DJI has the perfect opportunity to refine its design, address key issues, and bring some much-needed upgrades to better serve the growing FPV community. Addressing flight stability and control. One of the biggest criticisms of the Avata 2 was its flight stability. While it provided a decent FPV experience, many users found it less stable compared to other FPV drones in its class. Stability is critical for capturing professional-grade footage, and DJI must address this with improved aerodynamics and enhanced software optimizations in the Avata 3. A possible solution could be a complete design overhaul, incorporating better weight distribution and an upgraded gimbal system to ensure smoother flights. Additionally, reducing noise levels while maintaining power efficiency would be a significant advantage, especially for cinematographers who require minimal distractions while filming. Camera and sensor upgrades. The Avata 2 featured a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K video at 60 FPS. While this was impressive, a larger sensor would provide a significant boost in image quality, particularly in dynamic range, low light performance, and overall detail retention. Given DJI's recent advancements in camera technology, it's reasonable to expect the Avata 3 to feature at least a 1-inch sensor. This would enable better highlights and shadows, ensuring superior image quality even in difficult lighting conditions. The Osmo Pocket 3, for example, introduced a 1-inch sensor in a compact body, revolutionizing handheld video recording. If DJI applies similar sensor improvements to the Avata 3, it would become a game-changer for FPV cinematography. Enhanced obstacle avoidance system. FPV drones are typically used by skilled pilots who can navigate complex environments. However, DJI has made strides in making FPV drones more accessible to beginners. The Avata 2 only included upward and downward obstacle sensing, which provided limited protection against crashes. For the Avata 3, DJI needs to introduce a more comprehensive obstacle avoidance system that covers more directions, including front, rear, and side sensors. Advanced sensors powered by AI-assisted navigation could allow users to switch between beginner-friendly assisted flying modes and full manual control. This would make the Avata 3 a more versatile drone, catering to both seasoned pilots and newcomers looking to experiment with FPV flying. Upgraded transmission system and extended range. A critical aspect of any FPV drone is its transmission system, ensuring real-time video feedback with minimal latency. According to leaks and industry rumors, the Avata 3 is expected to feature OcuSync 4+, an advanced transmission system allowing for crystal-clear live video streaming at distances of up to 20 kilometers. While FPV drones are typically flown within a close range, having extended transmission capabilities will provide greater flexibility for professional drone operators and content creators. Moreover, improved signal strength and reduced interference could enable better flying experiences even in environments with high wireless congestion. This would make the Avata 3 an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor flights. Battery life and flight time improvements. One of the biggest trade-offs in FPV drones is balancing compact design with battery life. The Avata 2 offered a maximum flight time of around 23 minutes, which, while decent, left room for improvement. With the Avata 3, DJI could enhance battery efficiency through optimized power management, better aerodynamics, and possibly even a higher capacity battery. Realistically, we could see an increase in flight time to 28 minutes, which would make a significant difference for professional users capturing extended sequences. However, DJI needs to maintain a balance to ensure the drone remains lightweight and agile for high-speed FPV maneuvers. Expected release date and pricing. Based on DJI's past release patterns, the Avata 3 is anticipated to launch in April this year, likely within the second week of the month. While an exact date hasn't been officially confirmed, various leaks and industry speculation suggest that DJI is already in the final stages of development. As for pricing, the Avata 2 was competitively priced considering its features, and the Avata 3 is expected to follow a similar trend. Given the rumored upgrades, we can anticipate a price range of around $799 to $999, depending on whether DJI offers multiple variants or additional accessories. Final thoughts. What we want to see. The DJI Avata 3 has the potential to be one of the most powerful and user-friendly FPV drones on the market. With improved stability, a larger camera sensor, enhanced obstacle avoidance, upgraded transmission, and extended battery life, DJI could set a new benchmark in the FPV drone industry. But what do you think? Are there any specific features you want to see in the Avata 3? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on drones, cameras, and all things tech. Stay tuned for more tech news, reviews, and in-depth comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.